Extramostbestest sausage to get on that rowing machine and burn some calories. That looks so delicious. Extramostbestest pepperoni. Wow, look at that. Looks good, doesn't it? Wow. She's hot.
Because of this.
Speaking of being sniffly, like at work today, I walked into the bathroom and there was like a guy in the stall. I heard two of the strongest sniffs ever. All right. All right. Welcome to the channel. Today we're eating Little Caesars. We're gonna be eating a Extramostbestest pepperoni, an Extramostbestest sausage, and a stuffed crazy bread with crazy sauce. Total for this order is, drum roll, there's no total on here. How much was the total?
34 something.
Did you pay with my credit card?
Yeah.
The metal one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's edit to where I say the number. $34.86. Okay? Okay? I gotta start tracking this stuff for the IRS, man, because like, you know, this is a business. I'm not eating this because I like to eat it. I'm eating this because this is a business. Okay, so IRS agent, if you're watching this, what I'm eating this. I'm deducting this from my expenses. It's a business expense to run the business. Open this one. Okay, my wife says to open this first. What is this? Is this crazy bread?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta get in the habit of using my left hand. Let me get one for the camera here. My dog is looking at it like, oh God. Please drop it. Please drop that. Damn, I gotta get close. Oh my God, let's get a little closer to the camera here. Sorry about that, guys. Wow, look at that. Looks good, doesn't it? So good. Is this more of that?
Yeah.
Wow, let's dip that in there. So good. Look at this bad boy here. Extramostbestest sausage. You want pizza? Oh, what happened here? Extramostbestest pepperoni. That looks so delicious. That looks so delicious, doesn't it? Let's dip it in that sauce.
That's not what it's for.
Liar. That is really good. Let's grab a pepperoni, see what that tastes like. Fuck. Damn it!
You're gonna spill sauce. What?
Look at what came out. Look at what came out, man. It kind of cut unevenly, but hey, that's okay though. Mmm. Wow. I don't know, man. Either I've had a lot of bad frozen pizzas or Little Caesars is stepping up their game, but this tastes pretty good. This tastes really good. You sure you don't want to try a slice? Give my wifey a slice.
No bread.
Wow. She didn't like it. She has too much bread. You know, that's unfortunate that
I already found my Chicago pizza and I can't go back.
that's unfortunate that you can't enjoy the pizza like I can. You know, that's really unfortunate. I'm
How can
sad.
you go back to
It makes me sad.
this kind of pizza when you already found your
Well,
home pizza?
I can't get that pizza every day. The pizza's not 5 minutes from my house.
I wouldn't want to eat it every day either.
Why? No, I mean, Crazy bread is pretty good, right?
It's cold.
It's not cold. The sauce is cold.
I think you're gonna say your face is cold.
Your face is cold. How do the kids in school say? Your mom is cold. My mom is dead. Oh, that's why she's cold. Stupid, bro. Look at that. Wow. She's hot, guys. She's hot. She's ready to be eaten.
Well, that's why I opened your folder. Because of this.
Man, I kid you not. This is really freaking tasty, man. I was down. I was down, bro. I was down. I was down. My weight was down, bro. What if I put it like this? Would you guys like me to do that? To put the pizza box like this, like a triangle, like a teepee? Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool. It stands up by itself. That's gonna fall. Yeah, it's gonna fall. But maybe it won't. Maybe it'll stay up all night like me. Reading books, of course. Almost dropped it. Let's get some more pepperoni, man. I prefer the sausage over the pepperoni, but I'm not gonna turn down a little bit of pepperoni. That ain't me. That's not my style to turn down pepperoni. This thing looks, oh my God, it's so good. Look at that. My goodness. My goodness. So as I was saying, I'm down. Today, I was like 225. 0.2. So I'm down. I'm losing weight. So this is my reward for doing that. My little cheat meal here. You see that little pepperoni right there? Sorry for the sniffliness, guys, but that's just who I am. I'm bringing my authentic self to YouTube, and that's sniffly. I won't edit that out. Look at that little burnt pepperoni there. I bet you that's going to be the best tasting pepperoni on the pizza. Yeah, that one was extra crispy.
Extra crispy.
Really good. Let's dive in. Hey, can you give me one? Oh. Crazy bread. Oh, so good. Hey, is Grandma gonna eat? We didn't even offer him, huh? We didn't even tell him that there was pizza.
He was eating tacos.
Oh, okay. Real healthy.
Oh, this pizza's so much better.
Hold on a minute. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, God. Oh, dip it right in there. Oh, God. Oh, dip it right in there. Oh, I burped. Sorry. Let me take a bite of this. What's wrong? Your chest? Your chest is hurting? Surely can't be the pizza you were eating, right? Surely the food that we're eating can't be causing us health problems. Surely.
Right.
It can't be that. It must be something else. Something other than the food that we eat on this channel. Lemon? You put a lot of lemon on your tacos. That's for sure.
Wow.
I know we shouldn't give away our real names on social media, but now you guys know that my dog's name is Lemon. One of my dog's names is Lemon. I don't want to say that word too much because then he'll come over and then he thinks that I'll be his friend, but I cannot be. I can't. Food is not friends. And to me, it's food. But my wife doesn't think that, so that's where our disagreement lies. That's so good. You know, I'm still gonna work out after this. After my last video, I worked out, did a bike workout, and today I'm gonna do a rowing machine workout. So, gonna be real fun to get on that rowing machine, and burn some calories, burn some of this pizza off, which this is gonna be a lot of calories to burn, but. Wow. I think I know why they call it Extramostbestest. It's because they add extra, like pepperoni and sausage, than usual. You there, baby? Hello?
You're talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you.
You're talking to your fans.
To my what?
Fans.
I don't know. You hesitated before you said to your. I don't know what you were gonna say.
People.
My
That makes no sense.
what do we call my watchers? My listeners.
Your fans.
We gotta come up with a nickname.
Fan eaters.
My cravers? My what?
Cravers.
What did you say?
Your fans.
What kind of eaters?
Fan eaters.
You be careful now.
I said fan eaters.
You be careful now. Okay? Take care of yourself and each other.
You need to clean your ears.
Like Jerry Springer would say, take care of yourselves and each other. Dogs have not been doing good in this house.
It's not their year, not their own.
Dogs have been having health issues in this house.
I shouldn't have been a snake.
Dogs have not been doing good in this house.
Okay, you already said that like 10 times.
No. Speaking of being sniffly, like at work today, I walked into the bathroom, and there was like a guy in the stall, in one of the stalls. They got a lot of stalls to do your business. I heard two of the strongest sniffs ever. I don't think he was using the bathroom. I think he was doing something else. I think he had allergies, if you know what I mean. This is what I heard when I walked into the bathroom. Somebody was in the stall, and I heard him go. Like two strong, really powerful sniffs. I'm like, there's no way that's allergy or a cold. Like, you guys hear that?
Like that?
My dogs are. I have to burp. Ugh.
Can you chew your food?
I had to like force myself to swallow the food.
Chew it. That's what you've got teeth for.
I'm trying to, but it's so damn good. That's hard.
And you swallowing the whole piece, how does that make you taste the food better? It doesn't.
I guess some of the taste.
Some?
That's why I gotta keep eating more and more and more so I can acquire enough of the taste.
Well, you chew more so you can have more taste. Keep chewing.
Can't win. Can't win in this house. I gotta go get some milk. I'll be back in 18 years.
I already got the milk. Don't worry about it. I order it online. See? Don't you like that? I'm always prepared. You're scaring my dogs.
Sorry.
My heart can't take that right now.
Don't make me throw this pizza across the room. I'll do it. I'll throw it.
My dogs get sick again, and
I'll literally launch the box across the.
you're gonna launch your bacon cow into the vat. Also,
It's just like every bite is like a hit. Like you're taking a hit. It's like neurons activating, salivary glands glanding, just all kinds of stuff going on in here. It's crazy. Heart rate's up. I got a heart rate monitor here. A little Garmin watches with the heart rate monitor. It went from 70 when I got here. We're at 97 heart beats per minute right now. Okay? Heart rate's going up. Blood pressure's going up. Cholesterol is going up. Everything's going up. Rent is going up. Taxes are going up. 2025. Hold on. I'm going to finish this a little bit later after my workout, but I don't want to get so bloated that I can't even work out. So let me go ahead and do a workout real quick. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and the end.